All right, for the spreadsheet summative, I was looking for creating formulas, specifically formulas and charts and formatting. So if we look at an Excel spreadsheet, I used the currency formatting, I used color, I used the cells around it. So to format it, you can go up here to your home. You can do the formatting of the cells here. For here, I wanted you to wrap the text, so you have wrap test here. I wanted subtotals, so if you look at the subtotals of these two folks, you'll see that there's a sum of these two cells. You can either use formula and then, or you can use the equal sign and then drag them over. And then I wanted a total that would total all three of these cells. I think we're missing that cell. Hold on a second. Let me total it again. So I have the equal sign. I want that one plus this one plus this one will give me the 3 decades. So I have a total. Now I wanted you to insert. I want you to use the decades and the numbers. I'm going to insert a chart, and I wanted you to use a clustered column chart. I'm going to put it down here, and then I'm going to make it pretty. So we have the network over the three. Hold on a second. The network net worth over the 3 periods. We can drag it and make it bigger so it's easier to view. You can see their names. You see oops, I forgot 1800s. Sorry, forgot to drag this. So I'm going to make it here. So we have the numbers. We saw how they've increased, and then we will talk about analysis next week.